Now you will listen the special update in English.
In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, the All-Party Hurriyat Conference, the forum led by Mir Umar Farooq and other Hurriyat organizations, has strongly condemned the brutal killing of an innocent laborer and a youth in custody by Indian troops in the territory. The APHC spokesman, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said the laborer Shahid Ahmed and the detained youth Zia Mustafa were killed in cold blood to create an atmosphere of terror in the territory. The spokesman termed the extrajudicial murder of Zia Mustafa as a heinous crime against humanity and demanded a probe by the United Nations Human Rights Council and International Criminal Court into all such brutal acts of killings in occupied Jammu and Kashmir. The forum, led by Mir Umar Farooq, said, while the vicious cycle of killing continues unabated, Jammu and Kashmir offers a dire picture of acute repression and terror. Kashmir Media Service, in a report while analyzing the situation in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir after fresh extrajudicial killings by occupational Indian troops, has said that although every human life matters, so do the Kashmiri lives, but India under Modi seems to have nothing to do with human values, as it is killing even detained Kashmiris in fact encounters for demanding their globally accepted right to self-determination. The report said, confession by the Indian authorities that Zia Mustafa was detained in Kot Balwal jail since January 2003 and was taken to Mendhar area of Poonch district while he was killed during a so-called encounter is indicative of the Modi regime's policy of eliminating Kashmiri youth in the garb of the ongoing military operation which entered into its 15th day today. Pertinent to mention here that the latest killing raised the toll to 117 since May this year in the occupied territory, enough for Indian Army to be prosecuted under war crimes for killing Kashmiri youth in bogus operations. The All-Party Hurriyat Conference Mirwais Forum and other Hurriyat organizations reiterated their appeal to the Kashmiri people to lodge strong protests with the international community against the ongoing Indian state terrorism by observing complete shutdown on 27th October. The Kashmiris observe this day as Plague Day every year against illegal occupation of their motherland by India. Jammu and Kashmir Tehreek-e-Wahdat-e-Islami, at a meeting of its advisory council in Budgam, said that Narendra Modi's fascist Indian government has given a free license to its forces to commit genocide of the Kashmiris. Streets in Srinagar and other parts of occupied territory erupted in jubilation with young and old Kashmiris on Sunday night immediately after Pakistan handed a crushing defeat to India in Dubai in the ongoing ICC T20 World Cup. Despite heavy deployment of Indian forces across the territory, overjoyed Kashmiris were unable to contain their joy and took to the streets, burst firecrackers, danced, waved Pakistani flag and chanted "Jeewe Jeewe Pakistan" and "Pakistan Zindabad" slogans. Kashmiri students, on the other hand, studying in India, were attacked by Hindutva terrorists over Pakistan's emphatic win against India. The Hindu terrorists hailing from UP and Bihar barged into various colleges of Indian Punjab and beat them up with iron rods. New York-based news agency, the Associated Press, in a report said that Facebook in India has been selective in curbing hate speech, misinformation and inflammatory posts, particularly anti-Pakistan and anti-Muslim content. The report, citing leaked documents obtained by the news agencies, said that even Facebook's own employees cast doubt over the company's motivations and interests.